Alright everybody, I just did a resonator delete on my 05 Subaru Legacy, and I've got no mufflers on it just yet. I'm going to end up running straight pipes on it. Formerly known as Racing GT, got rid of my Mustang, got an 05 Subaru Legacy GT limited edition, and I'm loving it. And like I said, yes, I am a redneck, but forgive me all rednecks, I went with an economy car. Still all-wheel drive, 5-speed, turbo, switch fast, and just let me know what you guys think about the sound here.